Hey, I'm Tom from Powerin, the AI tools that grow your LinkedIn and X audience through automated comment. And in this video, I'll show you how to use our target keyword feature to make sure Powerin comments on the right post. So every interaction reaches the exact audience you want to grow. No random engagement, no wasted comments. Just qualified people discovering your profile every single day naturally. And here's how to get it right. Step 1, choose the right keyword. Target what your audience talk about, not what you do. With Powerin, I will target grow audience, grow follower, or increase reach. And let me tell you 3 types of keywords that works. The first one is pain points. What problem does your audience complain about? For Powerin, it can be grow an audience, grow follower, get more view, or increase reach. Second one is topic they engage with. What conversation are they already having? It can be conversation about content strategy, personal branding, audience building, or creator growth. And the third one is their industry or role. They can be content creator, solopreneur, LinkedIn creator, or maybe YouTuber. List all of them, but start with 3 to 5 keywords first. The step 2 will be to validate keyword volume. A keyword is only useful if people are actively posting with it. Here's how to check it before you add it to Powerin. On LinkedIn, go to the LinkedIn search bar. Type your keyword, filter by post, sort by the latest, and choose past 24 hours. Because it's exactly where we'll search for the keyword, and because we only want the most recent post to comment on. If you see at least 10 to 20 posts, you're good. But if it's empty, try another one. On X, go to the search bar, paste your keyword, also filter by the latest, and same rule. If there is active daily volume, it's worth targeting. Do this check for every keyword before adding it into your campaign. It takes 2 minutes and save you weeks of wasted activity. Now go back into Powerin and go to workflow. Create a new workflow and choose target keyword. Name your workflow, select your account, select a tone, fill all the information, and target the keyword. But first, 2 things to avoid. Remember, don't target keywords that are too broad, such as business, marketing, because there is too much noise that are mostly irrelevant. And also avoid too niche keywords, because you'll see there will be not enough daily publication. So you won't reach your daily comments quota. The sweet spot is specific enough to attract your audience and broad enough to generate daily posts. If a keyword has a low volume, we'll notify you by putting the keyword in red. Let me show you. You can still choose to target the keyword that the comment can be low due to a low daily volume. Now add the real keyword you've selected. The minimum of keyword to target into a single workflow is 3 and the maximum is 5. So thanks to that, you'll have more chance to comment and reach your daily quota. Now choose how many comments you want to make per day on this workflow. Create the workflow. Now the workflow is created and the comment will start. Let's run the workflow for about 2 to 3 days first. Then check your comments and see if the posts are relevant for you. If yes, you're in. If not, refine your keyword and repeat. The right keyword equal the right audience equal a real growth with real follower. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes to do this properly, and it's the foundation. And if you want to know how to target creator, the link of the video is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.